Hello everyone, we are from 9 Group Deadline in text mining class. For this time, we would like to make a presentation about our final project. Before we starting, I would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Damiana Trifinita El Blolong. You can call me Damian. And next,
I'm Elizabeth Christina. You can call me El.
and next, our friends MD Hasibuzaman. I'm sorry because he cannot join with us because different of time different of free time, so he will record his own videos and combine with us. And next, okay, we're going to the next slide. That in this presentation we will explain about some contents. They are sentiment analysis with Amazon Comprehend. The second, translate with Amazon Translate. And the third is text to speech with Amazon Polly, and the fourth is speech to text with Amazon Transcribe. To complete this project, we carry out several stages, starting with a discussion with group members to define tasks and discuss the program, and then we define to the project so we can have an idea the project to be made. After that, we starting to make all of program code that we get from some reference in the internet, and we try to make all of the program running and get the best result as we want. And the third step is we finish the project. After we finish the project, we made a video presentation and upload it in the YouTube like we do right now. That is the process of how we work on this project and complete this final project. Okay, I will explain about Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a comprehensive and evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon that includes a mixture of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and package software as a service offerings. AWS services can offer an organization tools such as compute power, database storage, and content delivery services. And developer can take advantage of AWS command line tools and software development kits to develop and manage application and services includes the AWS command line interface, which is Amazon proprietary code interface, and then a developer can use AWS tools for PowerShell to manage cloud services for Windows environments, and also developers can use AWS serverless application model to simulate an AWS environment to test Lambda function. AWS software development kits are available to a variety of platform and programming language include Java, PHP, Python, Node.js, Ruby, C++, and Android and iOS. AWS offers a range of artificial intelligence or AI model development and delivery platform, as well as packaged AI-based application. The Amazon AI suite of tools includes Amazon Alexa for voice and text chatbot, and then Amazon Polly for the text-to-speech translation, and Amazon Recognition for image and visual analysis. AWS also provides technology for developers to build some smart apps that rely on machine learning technology and complex algorithm. With AWS Deep Learning, Amazon Machine Learning, Machine Image Developers can create and train custom AI models with cluster of graphics processing units or compute optimized instance to make a program. And then for the first, we will explain about sentiment analysis with Amazon Comprehend. So, use Amazon Comprehend to determine the sentiment of analysis. You can determine if the sentiment is positive, negative, neutral, or mixed. For example, you can use sentiment analysis to determine the sentiments of comments on a blog to determine if your readers like the post. Determine sentiments operation can be performed using any of primary language supported by Amazon Comprehend. All documents must be in the same language. Amazon Comprehend can perform text analysis on English, French, and also German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish text. Analysis of meaning is the method of interpreting a piece of text in order exploring the context behind it. And analysis of sentiment has proved useful in understanding emotions such as frustration, pleasure, and sorrow that helping developers to create smarter apps with deeper visibilities into textual content. For the process of Amazon Comprehend, we must input text like social media posts, emails, web page, documents, and phone transcriptions. And also some posts like that, so we can analyze the result. And then we will comprehend automatically extra key phrases, entities, and sentiment, language, and topics. And then we will get output, extract data and topics with confidence score and as the result. So this is the third step that we used Amazon Comprehend. This is the screenshot of output program when we're running code in the text editor. For this project, we use VS Code as our text editor. We can see that the output show the result in a column containing the sentiment of the input text and also provides a confidence score sentiment. There are positive, negative, neutral, and mixes. Next.
Amazon Translate very fast, high quality, affordable. This is natural machine translation service, which is form of language translation automatic that use deep learning models to deliver more accurate and more natural sound translation than traditional statistical and rule-based translation agrees. The agents are trained on the wide variety of context across different use case and domain to perform well on many kinds of content. Amazon Translate provides translation between a source language and target language. A source language target language combination is known as language pair. Natural translation agents like Amazon Translate can produce more accurate translate by using deep learning technique implementation through a neural network. The neural network considers the entire content of the sentences to translate instead of the few words entered before or after the word being translated. To perform a translation, which we see in the next lesson, we must have UTF-8, a coded text file, which is known as the source text. The result of the translate is the UTF-8, a coded output text. Next slide, please. For the process, the first part is we must enter sentences. In our project, we ask English for the input, and the Amazon Translate will process when we running our program. After that, we will see the result that show us the translate of our input text into other language with the same meaning. In this project, we ask Japan as the output. This next slide, please. This is the review of the program in the text editor. We ask text in English. Hello, I'm student of the text mining class. This is our final project, and we translate to Indonesia, and the result is hello, I'm student of the text mining class. This is our final project. Is true translator and the same meaning. The next slide, please. Amazon Polly is code service that converts text into lifelike speech. In means, Amazon Polly is text-to-speak service that has advanced learning technologies to synthesize speech that sound like a human voice. Amazon Polly supports multiple languages and include verification of lifelike voice. Amazon Polly provides dozens of languages and a wide selection of natural-sounding Malay and family voice. Amazon Polly includes proclamation of text enabled to you deliver high-quality voice in output for global audition. The process when we ask Amazon Polly to convert text to speech is, for the first step, we must input the text file, and the program will process to the audio. We can get the result. The text file that we input before become audio in MP3 format, and we running in the computer audio software. The next slide. This is the review that our program running and convert text into speak in audio MP3 format. Motivation. From this project, we want to know more about WS and all of the service in WS. I guess this is our first experience as W in learning, and we also excited to try using WS. After learning, we have planned that next we can do something project, use WS and make something useful and when some maybe, because as we know that so many things that we can do in Amazon Web Service. And the third, we are other motivation is to finish this project is we want to improve and create our skill in the program with make some program. It should be useful for use in learning process.
Okay, to make it more clear, we will demo our project one by one.
Okay, for the first, we will running sentiment analysis with Amazon Comprehend. In this program, we use Boto3 and JSON. For your information, Boto3 is AWS software development kit for Python developers that can use in your Lambda function to call the Comprehend API and its specific services. For more information and explanation, you can access in boto3.amazonaws.com. Next, at row 4, we must add the input directory. For the input, we use a text format and we must copy path of the file name comprehend.txt. To translate or analyze text, we must call the sentiment variable. We also use you can see in sentiment variable, we also use an add language code AN or English because we use English in our input text file. When we run this program, the output shows the result in the column containing the sentiment of the input text and also provides a confidence score sentiment. They are, can you up the terminal? Again,
Wait, run first.
we get some problem with the terminal because I don't know. Okay, you can see the result of the project in terminal. There are some sentiment of the input text and also provides confidence score sentiment like mixed, negative, neutral, and positive. And the sentiment result is neutral because neutral get more score than the others sentiment that 0, 9, and etc. For the sentiment is neutral and the confidence score of sentiment so varies, but the highest score is neutral sentiment. So we going to next code.
Okay. The next, I will explain about the text to speak. The first, we ask Japanese language. The voice ID is Takumi, and we ask module Boto 3 US to process JSON and we input the text Japanese. The output is audio MP3 with Japanese audio that as Takumi voice in AWS like this.
私はあなたの仕事が本当に好きです。あなたの仕事が素晴らしいので、あなたがいつもこれを好きになることを願っています。
That translate from Japanese to English is I'm like Spanish, you like Francis, and she like Japan, like that. And the example, different example, I ask different language, like this text as Korea language, and the voice ID is 7. The output result is like this, audio MP3 again, but with different.
최근 코로나19 소식이 국민들 사이에 단기간에 널리 퍼졌다. 정부는 코로나19에 대해 주변 지역 사회에 지침을 제공하여 코로나 바이러스 확산 방지에 노력하고 있습니다.
So next, I will explain about the translate project. This we ask button 3 module, and the input is automatic, so the program will detect this input text with automatic, and the target is Chinese language. I will run for the example result. First, we have to input the text. Now I ask Indonesian text like apa wait a minute, apa kabar kamu hari ini? Enter, and the program will process to translate the text apa kabar kamu hari ini to translate result is Chinese language. So I have to program, so to program I ask Indonesian target language code. So we run this program. The program automatic search the code. So enter. It's the same as before because we ask Chinese to Indonesia, and before that we ask Indonesia to Chinese, so the program is the same result.
Okay, that's all of our presentation for our final project. I and Elizabeth and MD apologize if there is something wrong in our action and explain our project. Thank you very much for your attention so far, and see you.
See you.
Bye-bye.